In the figure below, 4 identical rectangles were placed around square ABCD to form a larger square EFGH. The area of one rectangle is 12 square cm and the area of ABCD, which is the center square here, okay, is 1/4 of EFGH. EFGH is the outside bigger square right here. So which means that we can actually assign ABCD to be 1 unit in area, EFGH 4 units in area. Find the length of one rectangle. Okay, so the question is asking us, what is this question mark? Okay, either this or this or this or this is also fine. Okay, as long as you can find the length of one rectangle, you are able to solve this question. Okay, now to do this question, it's important to understand that the difference between the small and the big squares area is 4 minus 1 unit. And that will be all these rectangles area, right? Because if you add 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles to the small squares area, you basically get the big square. So 4 minus 1, that will be 3 units. And 3 units has an area of 12 times 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 units, 48 square cm. So we find 1 unit, 48 divided by 3, which is 16 square cm. Alright, and with that, we will be able to also know what is the area of this square here, which is 1 unit, right? And that is 16 square cm. Okay, so to find the length of this square in the middle, we can do a square root of 16, and that is 4 cm. Or we can ask ourselves, what times what gives us 16 square cm. Okay, if you understand the square root method, you can do it that way. Or ask yourself, what times what gives me 16? So over here is 4 cm. At the bottom here, also 4 cm. Okay, so we now know the length of the smaller square. But the question is, how do we find the length of this rectangle? So to do that, you need an idea about the area of this bigger square. And that will be 4 units, right? Remember from our earlier discussion, 4 units will give us the entire area of the bigger square. So 4 units will be equal to 16 times 4, 64. And again, we can do a square root 64, we get 8 cm. So where is 8 cm? 8 cm is basically the length of this side right here, 8 centimeter. Okay,